My demonstration is a small Java program that models a check for k-anonymity in a database. If a user requests for a location service and wants to protect their identity, the user would have to go through a check request that will determine whether or not the user's information represented by a tuple is safe by adhering to the k-anonymity model within a set of data. Which means for any tuple, there are at least k number of relationships that is similar to the user's own set of data. The program uses arrays of tuples that contains 4 relations that relates to the user's data. In this example, a tuple holds a user's gender, ethnicity, country, and month of birth. In my example, I'm using k equals 2, meaning for each tuple there are at least one tuple with 2 matching relationships found in another tuple. The first set of tuples in my program adheres to k-anonymity of 2. There are at least one other tuple that contains 2 of the same relationship as another tuple. The second set of tuples does not adhere to k-anonymity of 2. The database has people without a matching pair of data, for example, sec user info 4. There are no other users who have the matching relationship Brazil. There are no other users who have a matching relationship Brazil. To check k-anonymity, I create a set of tuples and insert it into an array. After the tuples are in the array, I call the method k-check. K-check is a nested for loop that compares all of the tuples relationship to all of the other tuples relationship using the method k-count. During each comparison, there is a count value which increases every time there is a match. That value is kept in another list and restarts after every tuple comparison. When the method k-count is called, it compares relationship with a corresponding relationship with all the tuples in the set of data. When all the tuples has been compared, k-check determines whether or not the set of tuple adheres to k-anonymity by comparing count with the number of matching relationships of each tuple. If there is a value in count that is lower than the given k value, then there are no tuples that have at least k amount of relationships matching. A drawback of the system is if a user requests for location service, but the user doesn't have k amount of matching element as the set of data, then they would be rejected and not receive service as a measure to protect their privacy.